If your garage door opener light is not working, it can be super annoying and even a little unsafe when you're fumbling in the dark. Alright, here's the deal. First, check if the bulb is actually burnt out. Sometimes it's just as simple as swapping it for a new one. Make sure you're using the right type of bulb because some openers need specific bulbs to work properly. Next, inspect the wiring connections inside the opener. Loose or disconnected wires can kill the light without affecting the door itself. If you're comfy with a screwdriver, pop open the cover and look for any visible damage or corrosion on the wires. Also, test the light socket with a bulb you know works so you can rule out a bad socket. Another tip is to check the opener's power source and ensure it's plugged in and getting electricity. Sometimes outlets trip or cords get damaged. If the light still won't come on, try resetting the opener by unplugging it for a minute, then plugging back in. If all else fails, it might be a problem with the opener's internal circuit board, and that's when you might want to call a pro to avoid frying anything. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their garage door opener light is not working is ignoring the bulb and immediately thinking the whole unit is broken. Usually, just swapping the bulb fixes it fast. Another issue is not checking wiring connections. Loose or frayed wires can stop the light from coming on, but still let the door open and close just fine, so don't skip that step. Lastly, people often forget to check whether the outlet or power source is functioning properly, wasting time on other troubleshooting steps when the power isn't even reaching the opener. To fix these problems, always start with the simplest thing: replace the bulb, then check wiring connections carefully, and finally verify power supply before calling for repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is a handy site where homeowners can find trusted local contractors for any home repair or upgrade, saving tons of time and hassle. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who really need their skills and get more work lined up without chasing leads all day.